Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson WorkForce WF-2830. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. So, first of all, you need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, press the home button, found on the bottom left-hand side, to be taken here. Now, we need to move ourselves along 3 presses to our own settings. Press OK. And supply status is the very first option. Now, we're going to be checking the ink levels. There is also a less commonly used maintenance box check, which is one along. But for most of you, I'd imagine you're looking for this. So press OK to go into there. And here we have a visual representation of how much black, magenta, yellow, and cyan ink is found within the printer. Now, on the magenta, you can see it's got the little exclamation. That's warning that the ink cartridge is running low and will need changing soon. But your printer's very upfront about when it actually needs changing anyway, so you should never get into a position where your ink runs out prematurely. On that topic, if you are looking at this due to a print quality issue you're experiencing and you're checking to see if an ink's run out, it's actually unlikely to be the ink cartridges. These are all filled with more ink than they should be able to use in their life, as dragging air through the printer's print head can actually cause damage to it, so all manufacturers are pretty keen to avoid that for their cartridges. Print quality issues are actually more likely to be small blockages in the printer's print head, which can normally be resolved with cleaning cycles and nozzle check test pages, which we have separate videos for on our channel. If this video has been useful for you, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.